This week I want to highlight a condo that is on the market and has all of the attributes that you look for in a city condo. This very sunny top floor, 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit has a heated and secure garage space. And one of the things that makes this building really special is that they welcome pets. And not just, two little tiny pets. You can have a larger dog here, and there are often really stringent weight limits on dogs. So that's a big bonus. It does have in-unit laundry hookups if you don't want to share your laundry, but if you prefer to use that for storage space, you can use the free shared laundry down the hall. One of the best attributes of this condo is really its location. It is in vibrant Lowry Hill. I've done a video on that. And while it has all of the amenities that you look for in city living, there is a lot of green space just outside your doorstep. This building sits adjacent to the gorgeous Thomas Lowry Park, see that in my video, and amongst some gracious old homes. It's an easy walk or bike ride over to the chain of lakes, which is that connection of lakes, Cedar Lake, Lake of the Isles, Minneapolis, and Lake Harriet. But you can bike, rollerblade, walk, or if you prefer to play in the water, you can use the beaches or get on a kayak or a paddleboard. It's also just steps from the iconic Minneapolis Sculpture Garden and a short walk from the Sculpture Garden over the bridge into Loring Park. More location to love is that this building has easy access to an absolute plethora of restaurants, shops, grocery stores, and public transit if you need it. You can be downtown in less than 10 minutes from here. If you prefer a car-free lifestyle and you want to take advantage of EV or Our Car, this building is in the heart of the zone for easy access. Reach out to me if you have questions because this is a wonderful place to call home and I'd love to help you see it.